Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make flan sugar. Achieving the perfect caramel for your flan is simpler than you might think, requiring just a few basic ingredients and careful attention. We'll start by preparing our pan and then gently heating the sugar and water mixture. This method ensures a smooth, even caramel every time, setting the stage for a delicious dessert. Get ready to master this essential step in flan preparation. As the sugar heats, it will begin to bubble and change color. Resist the urge to stir. Instead, gently swirl the pan to distribute the heat evenly. You're looking for a beautiful amber hue, similar to a copper penny. This stage is crucial, as the sugar can go from perfect to burnt in a matter of seconds. Keep a close eye on it to achieve that rich, deep flavor. Once your caramel reaches that gorgeous amber color, it's time to act fast. Carefully and quickly pour the hot caramel into your individual flan molds or a single baking dish. Gently tilt each mold to ensure the bottom and a small portion of the sides are evenly coated. The caramel will set very quickly, so swiftness is key to getting a nice, even layer for your flan. After pouring, let the caramel cool and harden completely in the molds. It will transform into a solid, glassy layer at the bottom. This firm base is essential before you add your flan custard mixture. During baking, this hardened sugar will beautifully melt and transform into a luscious, golden sauce that perfectly complements your creamy flan. It's truly the only way to achieve that classic flan finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.